Lukaku does very well to keep the ball. Now the defending here, I'm going to let the ball go phakathi inside. Poor defending. Matthews is a problem in these spaces because you have a defender who doesn't know what to do. Now watch now, look at this guy. He doesn't know who to Matthews ukuphi. Now it's 2 against 1. I need sharp. Now this guy, you can't defend like that. Cover ngithi mfana ngithi, don't walk baba, don't walk. Cover, he does well. Angithi sharp. Now you can't stand like this. You can never stand like that. The ball is there. Amapali now laphaya. Whenever you're standing like this, mfana ngithi, small things will make us concede goals. Small silly things. Sundowns is attacking. Angithi, we defend the ball, ne sharp. Now wamuphasa, mfana ngithi. Hey, let's keep the ball kancane ke siphumule. Or if uzokhahlela ibhola, likhahlele ngaphandle or likhahlele le ku goalkeeper khona sizokhona ukuphumula. Mfana ngithi, thaba siphumule if you're going to do that, because nangumuntu la now. Nangumuntu tap the ball first and then bozo. Mfana ngithi. Look at this guy now, uvulile. Uyakhala, he's crying. Mfana ngithi. Now watch. This was our fate. Beautiful goal. Beautiful. Maybe it's a hockey assist from Musantos. But again, the midfielders, Bakatele, you are busy running up and down. There's too much space in the middle. Yeah? Mangaman, ufuna ukuya la. This guy is walking. Hey, Lucas Muripe Park is walking. Close down the space. Now, the ball is being played here. Mangaman, ibhola liyadlula. Angithi, whenever you are still focused on Alend. Ngicela ukubona ama South American man. Ufuna ukugijima ne South American ukuze kuyovala. No, my man. Go there. Hayi, suka. Sebayokora manje.